You have already made that decision, and that's why you are standing here with me in this world. Do you know the meaning of your name, Miriam? Protector. You are called by God to protect. Bad things happen to people. And you have a responsibility to look after your brother at the family. He's only 13 years old and you are 15. So the Lord called you to protect, to help people. And that's what your name stands for. So I am so happy for Miriam in our Bible study. She asked so many questions. The Umar Bible study at the Wima Yuma see questions like, Pastor, how tall was that? How tall was he? Yeah, just an example, tell the city at Miriam today, as a church pastor, for you and your church, I am more than happy to baptize you. It's what all the people are. This strong young man, Simon Philip, I said, I have seen this man grow up. He grew up very fast. He's a tall man with his age. And every time he's speaking about the studies, he's spoken a very low voice that no one can understand what he was speaking. But I will ask and remind him this that you speak up a little bit. But this man here, not only went to school, but he made one speak up rugby as well. Because he doesn't want to play people, so he chose to play rugby touch. Okay? So, Philip, I am so happy to baptize you. Dat we vliegen van je voor de video. In de achtergrond je voorbeeld en de bovenop. De vijf finale. Maar in dit jaar ook. Als je vliegen naar heel veel dan kun je ook dat opnemen en dit is niet het verhaal. You see that faithful thing? Tell your story. And as Jesus will multiply and perform many miracles in your life from that heart. Deus que family até o fim do mundo, pode partir sobre a idade com ele, sua folha do outro lado. É algo uma legal para